Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zinni. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. In this video, I'm sharing how to make your friend, parent, sibling or partner laugh on their birthday with super cute prank gift. It looks like a real piece of rainbow cake, but it's not edible. It's actually a squishy. So you can present this squishy with proper plate and fork, maybe sing a happy birthday song along with it and make your prank more enjoyable. And it's not only a prank but also a great gift idea as it is well known as a stress reliever toy or squishy. So it's a win-win gift. I'm also excited to make this DIY as it includes two of my favorite things, squishies and rainbow. So go get your crafting supplies and let's get started. To make this DIY, you will need piece of memory foam or kitchen sponge. Then I pre-made this template of cake slice. Next, trace that template on memory foam and cut it out with pair of scissors. Keep snipping and smoothing the surface till you are happy with the shape of cake slice. Then it's time to prep our squishy with layer of white fabric paint. Once your squishy is painted white, then it's time to call our rocking rainbow friends. I'm using fabric paint in all rainbow colors. Now I'm applying stripes of rainbow colors on both the sides of pastry. I mixed a lot of white fabric paint to each color to get these pastel shades. You will need to apply 2 to 3 coats depending on which brand of paints you are using. I will list all the products that I'm using in this video in the description box down below, so please check it out. Also, if you are interested to watch all the squishy videos that I made on this channel, then please click on the cards or check description box down below. Once you are done painting rainbow on the squishy, then let it dry completely before heading to the next step. Now, to make this piece of cake more realistic, you will need to apply frosting using puffy paints. I'm using a lot of white puffy paint on the top and spreading it evenly using popsicle stick. While I'm adding frosting to the cake, you can hit like if you're enjoying this content so far. Let me know your favorite birthday prank ideas in the description box down below. And don't forget to click subscribe button for more such fun DIY gift ideas and also press the bell icon for notifications. Once your cake is frosted completely, then it's time to add some clay rainbow sprinkles. Once you are done with happy sprinkles, then keep your squishy aside to dry for at least 24 hours. And your super realistic birthday cake is ready for the prank. Comment down below, what do you think? Receiver will love it or will get angry? Either way, I think it's fun. And I know they will treasure it for sure. If you give this DIY a try, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIY with Zinni. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these 2 videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!